Bigyan kita 1 million, pamparatoke.
Oh, wow. That makes you look real nice right now.
Mas maganda, mas masaya.
Bibigay ko sa boyfriend ko kasi sure ako ibibigay niya rin sa akin. Ako rin makikinabang.
Sa mga bading ng Pilipinas, free makeup, mas maganda, mas masaya.
I'll give it to my father cause he buys me everything I want.
Angat buhay. Because para mas marami matutulungan, hindi lang isa.
Maybe I'll give it to you.
Why?
So you can give it back to me. How about you?
Cancer research.
Oh, wow. That makes you look real nice right now.
My future kids, I hope they use it well.
Yung kaaway ko, why? Para gumanda-ganda naman siya. 1 million, pamparatoke.
My family, an organization, and the church.
I'll give it to you. So we can watch more Blackpink concerts together. Yes?
Okay.
Ikaw, kaninong buhay ang babaguhin mo ngayong Pasko?